Hey guys, it's Emmanuel Jordan with Gadget Hacks, and if you're shopping for a new Canon camera, here's Gadget Hacks' personalized list of the best ones you can buy right now. So one of Canon's best beginner-friendly options is the Canon EOS R10 with a kit lens for $999. Physically, the EOS R10 is compact, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, which makes it great for travel and walk-and-shoot content. The R10 comes with a 24.2 megapixel sensor and a fast image processor. Now, this combination lets you take detailed photos and record smooth, high-quality 4K videos that capture the entire scene without cropping. Now, autofocus is another major strength. Canon's subject detection autofocus tracks faces, eyes, and moving subjects, keeping them in focus. The flip-out touchscreen is vibrant, easy to use, and smudge-resistant, making it a nice bonus for vloggers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly Canon camera, the Canon EOS R50 is a great place to start. At around $799 with the kit lens, the EOS R50 is compact, lightweight, and simple to use. The R50 has a 24.2 megapixel sensor, which gives you sharp photos, and it shoots uncropped 4K video. It can automatically detect and track people, pets, and even cars, keeping your subject in focus. It even works well in low light situations like indoor shoots or night scenes. You also get a flip-out touchscreen, which makes it easy to record yourself or shoot from creative angles. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can quickly send photos and videos to your phone using Canon's free app. If you're a content creator who wants something super portable and easy to use, the Canon PowerShot V10 is a great option for $399. It comes with a built-in stand that flips out, so no tripod is required. You get a 15.2 megapixel sensor, which handles low light really well and shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second. The PowerShot also has a flip-up screen, which makes it super easy to frame yourself when recording solo. For audio, you get stereo microphones with noise reduction and an external mic port for enhanced audio. Now, if you have the budget and you need a professional hybrid camera, then I would recommend the Canon EOS R6 Mark II for $1,999 for the body only. It comes with a full-frame 24.2 megapixel sensor, so your photos are sharp, detailed, and clean, even in tough lighting situations. Speed is one of the standout features here. With burst shooting up to 40 frames per second, it's ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects, whether that's sports, wildlife, or even a quick reaction during a portrait session. The R6 Mark II can record cinematic 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and smooth slow motion in high frame rate Full HD. And unlike some older models, this one can record continuously for up to 6 hours without overheating, which is great if you're filming a wedding or a long interview. You also get built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so transferring footage and controlling the camera remotely is quick and easy using Canon's mobile app. Well, that's Gadget Hacks' list of the best Canon cameras in 2025. You can find the links to all of these cameras in the description below. And if you're into tech that makes your life easier, check out our other videos where we break down the best apps, devices, and software tips to help you get the most out of your gadgets. Till next time, thanks for watching Gadget Hacks.